we got my friend here, Kyle.
No. Kyle, stop it. Let me go get the thing.
He's gonna get this 200-pound generator out of my car.
No, I tell you, no. Kyle.
Oh boy.
That's what I'm gonna put this thing.
I'm all good.
We got some we got some resistance here.
Yeah. It is too heavy.
No, it's just the awkward angle getting it out.
Yeah, it's just a weird angle mostly.
Well, just slip it down. Don't lift
Yeah,
it.
I'm just
Slip
gonna
it
let it
down.
slide. It just
Yeah.
needs to get out.
It's gonna like slide on the door.
I have to.
Come on, you.
Oh, I need to turn that off.
Look, can you move the seat? Oh, it's already moved.
All right, so he's getting it.
I don't want to break your door.
I mean, the Costco people were like laying it on the door. The Costco people were like putting it on the door like handle rest, and it was okay. So I think it's okay. I don't know. Uh-oh.
Yeah, that's the reason why.
Kyle,
We're good.
now let me go get that scooter thing.
Okay, we got it out. I don't know if it's meant to be dropped on the side like that, but
You leave this thing right. You know, I'll take you with me. Come on,
we got it out of the car.
Come on,
I think we're good to go. Because I can even lift this with one arm on my... Should be good to go. So she's gonna go get her like rolling cart thing. Oops. And there's no handle to really grab this thing on. Move the straps towards the center. Grab that and ow, the straps are like cutting. Yep. So with one arm, because my other arm is messed up. Let's see if I can grab this. I can't grab. I need a better handle on this. But it's liftable. And they're gonna go get the thing now. I might just unbox it so that I can roll it around. Hey, Kyle! Okay, never mind. See you guys in a bit.